guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another product review for you guys in first impressions. So this is on the Almay Velvet Foil Cream Eyeshadows. So this is something new to Almay, and if you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that I am just not a fan of the Almay cosmetic line. I'm not really sure what it is. I just have not been a fan of Almay for, like I said, quite some time. I don't even like the eye makeup remover pads or the eye makeup remover oils because it's too oily. But I was strolling the Almay aisle because we have that $6 off one CRT. So these are priced for $7.99, and with that CRT, it makes it $1.99. I think there's a promo running, spend 12, get 4. That's at this current week and then next week as well. So I thought I would go ahead and try these out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and read the back for you guys. So it says, hyperallergenic, tested for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers, high intensity color, cream, smudge, fade proof all day. Apply with fingertips, blend thoroughly and avoid contact with eyes. Okay. So it's supposed to be for sensitive eyes. So I guess if, you know, some gets into your eyes, then I guess it would be okay. So I picked up 2 different colors. So the first color I picked up is in 020 Cupid Glaze. So it's like a light pink color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start opening these. I love that they have a little seal at the end right here, because you'd be surprised how many people like open up products and test it and then put it back. So I'm not about that. Okay, so this is the first shade right here. So it kind of looks like a rose gold shade, which is actually really beautiful. So I definitely could go for that. So I'm excited to test these out on my eyelids, but I'm actually gonna play around with it on my face too, because it says it's just for eyes, but I'm gonna play around with it and try to like turn it into like a cream highlighter as well. So then the next shade I have is in 030 Golden Vibes. So this would be really beautiful as a highlighter too, like a golden highlight. Ooh, maybe I'll do that. I was gonna go with the pink, but I think I might go gold. Oh boy. Oh yes. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at both of these. Both of these are gorgeous. Okay. Yeah. Loving this. Look at that. Yes, pigmentation is right on. It dries pretty instantly, but then it's also, you can also shear it out really well too. Okay, you guys, so I have already put my face makeup on. So what I just did a light makeup look, just put on a little foundation, set it with some powder, and then did some like bronzing, and I used my bronzer as my blush. So I'm gonna bring you guys in. Let's get you guys into my eyes. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the 020 Cupid Glaze. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it on the back of my hand, because I find that that's the best way to like work with cream product. And just gonna go in with my fingertips and then just blend. Seriously, this is so easy, you guys. Look at that. This is like the perfect summer eye look. I love wearing cream eyeshadow during the summertime because I find that cream eyeshadow doesn't like sweat off, and it says this is supposed to be like a 24-hour wear with no creasing. I did prime my eyes with some concealer. I don't actually use primer. I just use concealer because it does the same exact thing. And then I just set it with some powder on top to like lock in the base, if that makes sense. So that's just one swipe with this stuff, and holy heck, this looks absolutely beautiful. Just for like a one and done look. Look at that. I absolutely love this. Okay, so this was so simple. Okay, so let's bring you guys out. This is what the eye look looks like. Just one swipe, and then you're done. This is why I love cream eye products so much. So again, this is the Almay Velvet Cream Shadow. So what I'm gonna do with the golden one is I kind of want to do like my own like cream highlighter is what I'm gonna do. So again, I'm just going to add a little bit on the back of my hand and then kind of work it in to kind of warm up the product a little bit. Hopefully this goes the way I want it to. So I'm just gonna dab right here. Oh my goodness. This is working out pretty well. Sorry if you guys aren't in focus. I'm hoping this works out the way I want it to. Okay, let's get a little bit on this side. Oh man. Like a golden goddess highlighter is what the look I'm going for. Let's see. Oh my goodness. It actually worked out really well. Check that out. And if you really wanted to, you could like go over it with some like powder highlighter to kind of lock it in. But this is beautiful. So now I'm gonna get a little more fancy. Let me get some lip moisturizer first. You never put lip product on until you moisturize your lips. So just because it says it's meant for the eye, just because a product says it's meant for the eye doesn't mean you can't use it on other parts of your face. So I'm actually gonna turn this into like a little lip gloss. And again, this is in 020 Cupid Glaze. Okay, let's see. What do you guys think? Let me bring you guys out. What do you think? I think it came out pretty good. You can see the glow here from the gold. And I think the lip color works really well, and then the cream eyeshadow. So you potentially could get a 3-in-1 product with the Almay Foil cream shadow. So I used it on my lips, used it on my eyes, used it as a highlighter. So I absolutely love when I can have a product and it be like multi-function. So let me bring you guys more to the window to get like a better look at it so we can really see the glow. What do you guys think? I think that this was a fun and fresh and effortless little makeup look using cream products. So 10 out of 10. I highly suggest you go to CVS, scan your card, get your $6 CRT that's gonna print, and pick up some of these Almay Velvet Foil cream shadows because these are fantastic, you guys. So I'm actually gonna check in at the end of the day and share with you guys like where the wear is for me doing stuff all day long, because it says it's supposed to be a 24-hour wear. So let's put it to the test and see if it's actually a 24-hour wear product. All right, you guys, so I'm about to take my makeup off and it is 4 o'clock. So I put this makeup on close to 7 a.m. and it is still there. So I think all in all, this wear test is pretty good. Like I said, I'm gonna take my makeup off. It's 4 o'clock. I wanna get my face clean and I'm already in my pajamas. So I'm ready to like relax to the fullest, and I can't do that until I take my makeup off. So definitely go and check out the Almay Foil Cream eyeshadows. I highly recommend them, and I hope you guys enjoyed this first impression and review, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.